Hey, welcome to the Gary Abbott Budget Watch Reviews. Today I have a Flieger Escapetime watch that I purchased. It has an interesting band that it came with. It clearly is the Type B dial. There is no special case back. It's a standard dial. I don't know, I just thought for my collection I wanted a Type B style Flieger. Right now, a little different band that they have. I did buy this back a couple of years ago. I've kept it in my watch collection. It is a 42 millimeter sapphire crystal. Let's see what it looks like on the wrist. Okay, there it is on the wrist. You know, it looks pretty good. I like the band. The band, for some reason, was a little bit of a bonus compared to standard. You can get this watch, and as you can see on my 8-inch wrist, it fits okay. It does go around and get underneath. Doesn't have a lot of extra play, but it does work. You can get it right now with a leather strap instead of this rubber one for $80. $80. So if you don't have a Type B looking Flieger, it's a very nice watch. I'll put the description, some other information on the watch. I'll put the current one, what it looks like and what it's out there. But it's kind of unique in my collection. I like to have different styles of watches in my collection. It's one in which I'm on the fence if I would have purchased it again. I would not just purchase another Flieger Type B. I don't know. I just decided it was unique and I was going to get it. But I'm just not sure I will wear this enough to justify it. But again, I like the watch. Hey, if you have any questions, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.